Hello, teachers. I'm going to guide you through the Savas Realize uh, online curriculum. The website has changed quite a bit, so I want to go through how to set up your accounts for those of you that are new. For those of you that are returning, I want to show you how to switch over your curriculum if you have a different text now. So lots of different things within this platform, so it would be helpful for you to watch it, but if you have any trouble, please let me know. All right, so first thing you're going to do is log into the Realize site. And I am actually going to log in as Miss Rosa. And in doing so, I'm actually going to set up her account for her as an example to all of you. So once you log in with the credentials that I've emailed you, you're going to go through these several steps at the beginning. If you are a new teacher, returning teachers, I'm not certain if you have to do this part. I am certain you may want to change your content. So we'll get to that. If you do not see this, it's okay. I will show you how to change your content soon. So for those of you that are brand new, you likely will see this. First thing you're going to do is select the grade levels that you'll be teaching. Further down, you will then select the content that you need. So for Senora Rosa, we are going to choose the Spanish text. If you're teaching lower school handwriting, etc., you have your text there for you to choose from, or the sixth grade. I believe that's the sixth grade science text. Here, you're going to type the name that you want your students to see in the system. You can change all this in your settings. I'll show you how to do that. And then you'll choose your profile icon. We'll choose something very happy for Miss Rosa. And then you will choose your license agreements and let's go. And then this is going to take you to your main dashboard where you are going to set up Google Classroom. So once you've done your settings, gotten into the system, the first thing that I need you to do is set up Google Classroom. I'm going to skip past this tutorial. You have to link your account to Google in order for you to be able to get your classes. So you're going to go up to your settings in the top right, name, settings. And then down at the bottom of those settings, the first thing I want you to do is link Google Classroom. Now, I can't do this for Miss Rosa, so she'll have to do this herself. So you'll go in, you'll click Get Started, and then it's going to have you log in to your Foundation Academy Google account. And then that's going to link your Google accounts. Once you have Google set up, I'm going to go back to the home screen here. Once you have Google set up, where it says classes, to get your classes and to Realize, you're then going to click import Google classes. This is going to import all the Google classes that have been created. But remember, you cannot do this until August 9th. Once I have set up your Google classes, then you can go in, import Google classes, and then that's how your students are going to know what your content is. So you can attach the textbook here, and then they will go into their Google class and pull that content. So that's how you set up your actual classes and the content. You see over here your programs. If you click on all content, this is going to take you to content for your assigned programs. So whether that's video content, whether that's assessments that you want to assign. And again, once you link those Google Classrooms, all this information will go in through your Google Classroom, which is a great resource. I'm going to go back to home over here in the top left. To change out your programs, if you are returning and you have new, or let's say you are a new teacher and you clicked the wrong things, that's okay. So click on your name and you're going to again go to settings. And in settings, you're going to go up at the top where it says my programs. And here you can choose the new programs that you would like. You can also choose any standards that might be available as well to let you know what it is that you're looking for. In the About Me section of your profile, Ms. Rosa, you can go in and change your icon and your name and your grade levels. And then you have your account information. If you would like to reset your password, right here is where you can do that. That is the basics. I'm going to go back to home of your Realize account and connecting it to your Google Classroom and selecting your content. If you have any other questions about Realize, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you, team.